Well, hey everybody, welcome to Do Things Make Stuff. We've got some big changes happening. We have moved. Well, if you've seen my videos in the past, been a lot of focus on things like reviews or woodworking or just different kind of content, and some big family life changes happened, and we moved from Southern California and we moved out here to Tennessee. Now, a lot of people are moving to Tennessee right now. I know it's really popular. A lot of people are moving to the Nashville area. I know a lot of people are trying to get out of California. A lot of people are moving because they've just heard that Nashville is amazing, this area. We are in Middle Tennessee, all the way down south, between Huntsville, Alabama, and Nashville, kind of dead center, in a little town called Normandy. And I just took a new role here, so I'm now going to be the executive director of this ranch. It's a 180-acre working ranch. That is currently also a boys' home. So lots of new things in the works, and I think that means that this channel is probably going to change a bit. So this is the new backyard. We're going from a little condo to lots and lots of greenery. Now the great part for me is that means there's just so much new stuff to do and to learn. And you know, growing up in southern Orange County my whole life, and now making the big choice to move out here to Tennessee, man, there's just so much new. Even little things like just language and you know, y'alls and all that, trying to be intentional with some of that. But even just doing life out here, things are different. The grocery store isn't, you know, a mile down the road. The family's not a mile down the road. We now have to drive 20 minutes on, you know, farm roads to get anywhere. And we're really, really rural. So this community out here has about 150 people in it. And this piece of property really has no neighbors or anything. So we are out there, but we've got a lake, so lots of fishing coming up. We've got cattle, there's horses. We're looking at getting maybe some new stuff and building chicken coops, and just a lot of different things. So this channel will continue to be Do Things Make Stuff, just on a new level. So we've got a shop here, and I'll be giving you guys tours and showing you kind of what's going on, but I'm really excited for you to follow along. And as we're going and as things are changing, I would love for you guys to ask questions as projects are going on and things you'd love to see about this property or know about it. There's a lot of history in Tennessee, which has been really interesting for me to learn so far. Even just right there, right across, I don't know if you can see that mountain right there. There is a Civil War mine right in there where they mined for powder for the Civil War. And apparently it goes all the way through the mountain, and apparently nobody has been in it in a very long time. Now, I've been watching Ghost Town Living. I don't know if you guys have seen that channel. If you haven't, you need to go follow that. But that guy's going and exploring mines all over his property. And the history of a Civil War mine, it's literally across the river. It's really exciting. So all sorts of good stuff happening. And let me show you around here just a little bit. I think this is the craziest part of the whole thing, is every time I walk outside, I'm like, there's no way this is my backyard. Like, it's too picture perfect. And it's so crazy and quiet, but not because the birds are pretty loud. But if the birds are loud, that means it's quiet. So I'll try to figure out how to get some better photos. I'm not a photographer, but man, is it pretty. So I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I hope you enjoyed checking this place out. Lots more to come. Currently in the process of moving. There's a whole bunch of trash, a whole bunch of stuff getting unloaded. So, curious. Used ABF U-Pack. They drop it. I got 3 days to unload it, and then they come pick it back up. So hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming along for the adventure. If you have any new content, things you'd like to see around here at the ranch, I'm going to continue showing you around, just kind of jump in with life out here. It's all new for me, so maybe it'll be new for you too. All right, buddy. Have a great rest of your week. Remember, do some things, make some stuff.